Our short phrase and sentence for you today is weta ekwentị ahụ. Weta ekwentị ahụ, which means bring that phone. Weta ekwentị ahụ. Ekwentị is phone in Igbo language. And when we say this to you, one of the ways you can respond is by saying were ya. Were ya, which means take it or have it, whichever is more convenient for you. And if this is the first time you are watching this video series, you will observe that we use color code to differentiate the meaning of each word. With this, we intend to help you to understand the composition of the phrase or sentence, and also equip you with a tool to be able to write Igbo language in case you intend to do so. Please know that you can only speak this language by practicing it. So step out there, tell your child, tell your wife, tell your husband, weta ekwentị ahụ. Practice it until you can know how to pronounce it properly and use it accordingly. And as you do, remember, it's important to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so that you can help others to discover this and equip us to serve you better. God bless you.